Using Mexican Equipale chairs in your home decor. Traditionally made, Equipale chairs are perfect for the great outdoors. In this beautiful outdoor dining room, the seating sets the stage for alfresco dinners in a natural setting. Colorful cushions add a touch of coziness as guests sit back and relax in these casual dining chairs. These vintage chairs are reminiscent of an earlier time. Many Mexicans remember them as the furniture that their grandparents would have in their home. They were the ultimate in comfortable seating for family gatherings, a position that they are reclaiming in many modern homes today. This outdoor living space is simple yet gorgeous. With Equipale furniture, centuries-old tanning and dyeing techniques can result in variations in color. Chairs can range from light tobacco to much darker hues depending on the dye. In this rustic dining room, chairs in a shade of dark tobacco add to the aesthetic of this cozy space. Mexican Equipale chairs are great for adding a global touch to any space. We love how they are featured in the Pod 39 hotel located in the Midtown area of New York City. While busy New Yorkers run around inside, this hotel is a peaceful respite from the bustling city. Filled with global elements and bright hues, shapely Equipale chairs add to the vibrant cultural mix. Equipale chairs add so much to the decor of outdoor spaces and indoor spaces alike. These chairs are the perfect blend of modern and rustic, and it shows in this outdoor dining area. Here, the chairs add a beautiful and relaxingly rustic touch to this open space. Equipale chairs are ideal for when you need pieces to do double duty, providing comfortable, practical seating while adding to the overall design aesthetic of a space. We love the global elements in this dining room, the heart of a beautiful Michigan home. A framed African Cuba print adds an artistic element on the wall while woven baskets bring in layers of texture. Around the table, Equipale chairs handmade in Mexico add to the cultural aesthetic. These chairs are perfect in rich spaces with a mix of global elements. This home is a celebration of bringing the outdoors in. With plenty of greenery and relaxed seating, it's all about enjoying a natural environment. At the dining table, a set of Mexican Equipale chairs adds to the natural feel of the space. The tanned leather and cedar strips add warmth to this all-white living room. They are the perfect chairs for a mix of indoor and outdoor style. If the tan shade isn't for you, reimagine your Equipale chairs in a new hue. A simple paint job will do the trick. In this beautiful West Coast setting, surrounded by cacti, two of the Equipale chairs surrounding this dining table have been painted white. The new shade adds to the color story of this gathering with the table decorated with black and white elements. Just mix your favorite shade to turn your Equipale chair into colorful seating that can be part of any room in your home. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.